Let's have a closer look at the gallery view, especially at the filters and the edit mode. Using the filter bar at the top gives you all the flexibility that you need. On the far left side, you can choose in which libraries you want to browse for elements. Simply select or unselect the library. You can combine multiple tags or categories, and the Match All option allows you to get only elements that match exactly all the given tags or categories. The Frames filter will get you all elements that have at least a certain duration. By changing the resolution filter, you can make sure that you only see results that have enough resolution. Next up, the Channels filter. Sometimes RGB is maybe not enough, because you want to have an alpha channel. Or if you are looking for elements that are multilayer EXR, just select RGBA+. Specify what type of media file you are looking for, like an image file, a movie file, or a sequence of files. To reset the filters, simply click the Reset Filters button. On the right side you can find a button that will show you advanced search options. The text search allows you to search for text in the source file path of the elements. Maybe we know that the source path contains a certain keyword. That keyword could be a project name or the name of a VFX element vendor that you purchased elements from. You can also directly search for the element name. Now let's have a closer look at the Details view. On the right side, you will see a button which allows you to open up the element files in the Explorer. By clicking the Copy to Clipboard button, you will get the main file path of the elements into your clipboard. In the standard version of the software you see an additional button, which toggles the edit mode for an element. The red outline indicates that you are now changing the element. You can change the category of the element. This will update the entry in the database. The files on disk, however, will stay in the same location. To re-render, for example, the proxies, select the preferred transcoding mapping. Just hit the re-render button to start the transcoding. Here you can add or remove tags for this element. At the bottom you see the source file path. This is the location that the element had when it was ingested into the library. This can be useful if you want to back reference where an element once came from. Again, you see the Copy to Clipboard and Open in Explorer buttons. These might not work if the element is no longer at that location. Further down, you will find the color space of the original source file. In the edit mode is where you can delete an element. You have two options. Either only delete the entry in the database, or delete both the database entry and the element files and proxies from the server.